हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम। So Gaurav sir has already joined. So we would like to welcome all of you in this weekly session, which whose topic is identifying the true spiritual guide. So it will be taken by Kushal Vaishnav sir, and uh, sir has not joined yet. But So as announced earlier, at the end of this session, we will be having tiebreaker round for the yesterday's quiz, and we would like to congratulate the winner of yesterday's quiz, who were Nitesh, Kartikesh Sati, and Sahil Kumar. So these were the winners of yesterday quiz, and the tiebreaker round for second position will be held tomorrow, just after the session. And Gaurav sir, would you like to add something?
Yeah, I was thinking maybe as I had told earlier, so this time the questions won't be very straightforward and simple, and the time would also be less. So those three teams better be prepared nicely. And I think I may reveal the names, but I was thinking you all can patiently listen to the session, and then maybe afterwards I'll reveal the names so that you can take the anxiety of the quiz. Otherwise, if I reveal the names now, then you all will become stressful right now. So do not worry. I will reveal all your names. So expecting something even more thrilling today. Just waiting for sir to join. Oh, meanwhile, in the chat box now, you all can write your guesses about the teams that have held the second position. But message me privately, okay? So I'll just see what are your guesses about that.
Sir, I think Kushal sir has joined, so we can start the session.
Okay, yeah, and I can see many responses are there. So that's all right. Nice to see the enthusiasm. Karthik is also concerned. Now, even after winning the first position, Karthik is concerned about who's second. He's messaging me. Who's probably second. Very nice, Karthik. Yeah, so Kushal sir has also joined us. Yeah, good evening, sir. Thank you so much for taking out your time again today. And we are really very thankful to you for taking out time for this very vital session. So the session, as it was termed, is identifying the true spiritual guide. So all these have
Yeah,
also taken out their time. So thank you so much, sir. Over to you now.
okay, thank you so much. Just give me 2 minutes. Uh, just give me 1 minute. I will just switch on the lights.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah, I think it's better now. Light is better. Okay, I'm sorry for little delay. Will you have chanting together, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. That's very nice then. Okay, sorry I couldn't join you for chanting. So, very warm evening to all of you. And just a minute. Is my voice properly audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I got to know that yesterday you had a very good quiz. And I think one of the teams, I think there is also going to be some part today for the remaining people, right? Gaurav, am I right?
Yes, sir. Actually, we were having our very the major quiz, which we do it every year. Kaun banega spiritual champion? So,
Okay, good.
yeah, and surprisingly, like the first team was obviously first. It was quite clear ahead of all the teams. But surprisingly, there was a tie for the second position, and it wasn't a tie just between two teams, as it was a tie between three teams. So there are three teams in that in the race of being second, and today we'll have the tiebreaker round.
Oh, okay, like that. Huh?
Yeah, and to add on the suspense, I still haven't revealed the names of the team.
Oh, good. Okay, so I will also get to see the who are going to be the second toppers. Huh?
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Okay, friends. So welcome all of you. Let us begin then. Huh? So I have some 40 minutes to cover for them that topic, and then you will have that quiz, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll begin. Huh? So last time, if you remember, uh, in our first sitting, in our first weekly session, we have discussed about what is the secret password to understand Bhagavad Gita. So if you remember, we have discussed about it is one has to have. Who can tell what is that secret password? Yes, Avinash.
Love and
love and devotion.
love and
Uh,
devotion.
love and devotion. Perfect, right? And could any of you recollect what we were discussing last time in our weekly session? Last time we discussed about why do we need to understand Bhagavad Gita? How Bhagavad Gita? What is the most precious gift which Bhagavad Gita can offer to us? So that was our discussion last time. Do you remember any of you? Any points you remember from the last time's discussion? Just I will help you.
Yes.
We discussed little bit about difference between the human and the animals, and then we discussed about uh, what are the important questions which human being can ask, and then we discussed also about it how Bhagavad Gita can help us. What is the best gift which Bhagavad Gita can give us? So basically, these three things we tried to cover last time. So yeah, let us before we proceed today, I would like to hear from you that who all are able to remember some of the things which we discussed last time. Yeah, any of you, whoever knows,
Yes,
you can unmute yourself and can raise.
sir. First, we discussed
Yes,
like
Nitesh.
what are the first we discussed like the qualities of animals and humans, and the only place where these both people differ are like humans. They have the ability to ask questions like why are we born, and like our about karmas and all. But animals can't do that. Animals can only defend, mate, eat, sleep. That's all they can do.
Good, very nice. Good, very nice. This was the first thing we discussed at how animals and the human beings, they are similar in these four activities of eating, sleeping, mating, defending. And the only way we differ from the animals is that human being can inquire about some higher truths of life. We can inquire about that what this life is all about, what will happen to us after death. So basically, we can inquire about all these spiritual truths of our life, which animals cannot. So that's why human beings are more superior than the animals. Okay, anything else we discussed?
Yes, sir. So we seeing the
Yes.
pictures of animals and bird special powers as a horse is riding and a eagle is
Uh,
seeing powers, etc.
yeah. Yes. Good. Yes. Correct.
We also came to know that like in these four tasks, animals are like way better than us.
Perfect. Perfect. Good. Any other points? I would want to hear from some more people also. Sahil or Chirag or Kartikeya. Kartikeya is telling that humans have intelligence to ask questions about life and death and beyond it. If they do not do so, they are just like animals. Perfect. Very good.
So we also discussed what is real problems. What is a real
Uh,
problem?
yes. So what is the real problem, Divyanshu?
So like which is common to all the beings on the world, and nobody wants it, and nobody can avoid it.
Yeah. So what are those real problems? What are those four real problems?
Birth, uh, death, disease, and aging, old age.
Perfect. Very wonderful, Divyanshu. Thank you so much. And what else we discussed? Do you recollect the three kinds of miseries which we have apart from these four real problems?
Yes, sir. First was like Adi Bhautik.
Wait, Nitesh. Wait, Nitesh. Can we have somebody else also?
Sorry, sir.
You're always very enthusiastic, I saw. I would like to hear from some more people also. Anyone else?
May I tell?
Divyanshu, okay. Anyone else who has not answered? Maybe once we can give them try. You may not remember the names, but if you know even what are those miseries? Any of you? Okay, Divyanshu, you can tell one then.
Like adhyatmic one, which is due to one's own self.
Yes, own one's own body and the mind. Right?
Yes,
Any
sir.
example for that? Any example for it?
So like we are taking academic pressure just now. So it's like misery for us.
You are very practical and very honest. Yeah, student life means one has to go through that kind of suffering, isn't it? So adhyatmic means the miseries which we have because of our own body and the mind, which includes the different diseases we suffer from, whether it is fever, headache, cold, etc. Okay. Okay. Second is Adi Bhautik. Who is writing this? Karthik is writing about Adi Bhautik. Adi Bhautik means the things which are being given to us by others, right? For example, like in your case, the teachers are giving us some sufferings. So that is called as Adi Bhautik. Okay, thank you. There's one more remaining. What is that? Another misery?
Sir, due to natural calamities.
Perfect. So what it is called as? Chirag?
Sir, I don't remember.
It is called as Adi Devik. Devi. Devik means coming from the Devtas. It's called as Adi Devik. Okay. Okay, wonderful. And let us see who remembers what are the two questions which human being can ask, which makes him a special. There are some two questions we discussed. What are those two inquiries? Anyone remembers? Who am I? Okay. Utkarsh is telling who am I? Okay. Who are really as body or soul? Okay.
Sir, why we are born? Like, what is the reason of our birth? What task we have to perform? And what God wants us to do in this life?
Very good. Actually, it's called as when we can inquire about what is the goal of our life. What is the ultimate goal of our life? Wonderful. This is one thing which we can inquire. Animals are not able to inquire about this thing. Okay. Second thing.
So why am I suffering?
Yes, Karthik, perfect. Second thing is why we have to suffer in this world, right? So we discussed that why we have to suffer. We have to suffer because this is not our natural place, and we have come here because of some independent desires, and we have to again align ourselves with the God's laws. So again, if we align with the God's laws, then we'll not have to suffer, and we can go back to our original place, that is the spiritual world. Okay. And second thing we discussed about what is the goal of life. The goal of life is to be able to again connect back with God and to again go back to the spiritual world. So these are the two questions. And if you remember, we have discussed a story also of Mahamurkha. And in there, we were discussing about how all of us also have two kinds of duties, horizontal duties and the vertical duties. And while we are living in this world, we also have to do duty towards our parents and society and country, etc. But we should not forget our most important duty, that's the vertical duty, duty towards God. Because ultimately, that is what is going to go with us at the time of death. Whatever spiritual assets we are going to accumulate, see, हम जो भी बैंक में बैलेंस accumulate करेंगे इस लाइफ में, वो सब यहीं पे रह जाने वाला है, right? Even if you are a billionaire, trillionaire, still that money is going to remain here only. But there's only one asset which is being carried in the next life. That is our spiritual assets. Whatever spiritual gain we have got, for example, like if you have gained till 10%, then the next life you will begin with 11%. So that is a real gain for us. Okay. So we were discussing, just to sum up, the most precious gift which Bhagavad Gita can give us is Bhagavad Gita can give us solution to these real problems of our life. That is, by practicing the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita in our life, we will be able to remove these problems of old age, disease, death, birth from our life permanently. So that knowledge is there in the Bhagavad Gita. And one last thing we discussed was also about that how the science and the technology will never be able to give a permanent solution to these real problems of our life. Only Bhagavad Gita and spiritual life can give solution to that. Okay. So in that way, the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita is the most precious gift for all of us. Okay. And now let us come today to the next session today. So for the next half an hour, we will try to discuss another very important topic. We'll discuss another very important topic. Okay. And the topic for today is, just will share my screen with all of you. That is identifying the spiritual guide. Identifying the true spiritual guide. Okay. Okay. Is my screen visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, हमने डिस्कस किया कि भगवद गीता हमको कैसे हेल्प कर सकती है. Now today we will try to learn that how we can get proper knowledge of proper spiritual knowledge. Like what is the way how we can get how we can get proper spiritual knowledge. So to be able to get proper spiritual knowledge, we have to approach a spiritual guide. We have to approach a guru, spiritual guru, isn't it, right? So how we can identify a true guru in our life? You will find so many people in this world, they are trying to, people who want to learn about these truths of life. Who is really intelligent, he will try to understand problems of life, and he will try to make a solution to those problems. So now out of these people also who try to understand about spirituality, guide. So in this world, we find that there are so many people who claim to be a spiritual guides, etc., etc. And oftentimes we have heard that how this Baba was found to be fraud, how he has cheated the people, how he was found to have some wrong relationship with some woman, or how he ran with some money, etc. Right? So likewise, we find that how many people who try to even learn spirituality, they also get cheated many of the times. And then what happens? A person sometimes he loses completely faith also, on the path of spirituality. So today we will try to learn that if we want to get spiritual knowledge from a proper teacher, how we can identify a proper teacher. कैसे हम किसी proper teacher को identify कर सकते हैं, So we'll discuss in our session that what are the qualities, what are the qualifications we should be looking for. Just like, for example, like suppose if you have to study some subject, so then you try to look for some qualified people, like now in your college now, whom they appoint as their professors, teachers. किसी भी अरे गहरे को teachers नहीं बनाया जाता है. Person who has done BTech, MTech, PhD, postdoc, like this, these kind of people are allowed to teach the colleges, isn't it? Same way, today we'll try to learn that who are the proper spiritual teachers from whom we can learn the spiritual knowledge. Okay, so this is very important because in the modern times, people don't know about this thing, and because of that, what happened is they get cheated by so many varieties of people all around. So today we'll try to learn that how we can. So you see, in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna also tells this very important shloka to Arjuna about how it is important if you have to learn spiritual knowledge, then you have to approach a proper teacher. Okay, so this shloka comes in the 4th chapter. Tad vidhi pranipadena pariprashnena sevaya updikshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshina. Very beautiful shloka. So what Krishna tells here, he tells about 3 things. He tells to Arjuna that how if somebody wants to learn spiritual knowledge, then he has to approach a proper guru, a proper spiritual teacher, and he has to do 3 things. So what are these 3 things? See, it says, first thing is pranipatena. प्रणिपातेन का मतलब होता है कि सरेंडर करना. सरेंडर मतलब कि अपने आप को अपने आप को डिवोट करना. Just like for example, like all of you have now your subjects now. So all of you are learning chemistry, physics, maths, etc., right? So how do you learn? You simply learn from your teachers. Okay, so you simply surrender to your teachers. आप teachers को surrender करते हो, understanding that how they have better knowledge than you, they have better experience of life than you. So you are just trying to learn from them, understanding that they have a better knowledge than you. So that is called as a surrender. There is the first thing that one has to surrender. Means what? One has to become humble and one has to learn the spiritual teacher. This is a pranipatena, मतलब कि surrender करना, submission बोलते हैं ना. Like for example, you are hearing some knowledge from your teachers, so you submit to them. You know that understanding that they have better knowledge than you. That's the first thing, that we have to search a guru and surrender to him. Which means what? 2 things. First thing is we have to give up our own set of ideas. है ना? Like your teacher may say that my friends or my students, suppose this concept is like this. So then you can ask, you can inquire that how it is like that, but you accept from him, understanding that he is the proper authority. The same way, you don't try to impose your ideas upon the teacher, isn't it? When we approach a proper spiritual teacher, then we have to, keep aside our ideas, and we have to hear from them. Especially in India, में क्या बहुत से spirituality के बारे में थोड़ा बड़ा पता रहता है. आप किससे बोलोगे कि थोड़ा spirituality के बारे में बात करें, मुझे सब आता है. But see, हमको उन्हीं से सुनना चाहिए जिन लोगों के पास में proper spiritual knowledge है. तो otherwise क्या सेकंड थिंग बताया गया यहाँ पे परिप्रश्नेन। परिप्रश्नेन मतलब कि क्वेश्चंस पूछना ना। तो जैसे टीचर ने कुछ बोला तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको ब्लाइंडली उसको एक्सेप्ट करना है. You have all the opportunity to ask questions and to understand the thing from them. Same way, when we go to the spiritual teacher, we don't have to accept based upon the blind faith. Like all of you heard this knowledge from your seniors and other people, or even whatever knowledge you are presenting to them. And can you say that this is very scientific, very logical? Nothing is being like a blind faith given to you. Whatever we discussed till now in our weekly sessions also, and like whatever your seniors must discuss in your workshop and all, you'll find that everything is very scientifically presented to you, very logically presented to you. So same way, spirituality is a science, it is based upon very solid logic, very solid, basis. So that's why we can always ask our questions. Okay, so this is second thing, that one should inquire submissively. Inquiry should be there, but it should be done in a submission way, not in a challenging way. That I know better than you. No, we have to learn from the teacher in a polite way. Just like we find in Bhagavad Gita also, Arjuna is inquiring from Krishna. So that is the second quality, that one has to inquire. Does not have to accept on the blind faith, but one has to inquire. But the inquiry has to be done in a submissive way. Submissive way means, so you have, that's why you try to inquire from them in a submissive manner, not to try to become challenging to them. Because see, if you try to be challenging, then the teacher will not try to help you, isn't it? कई बार होता है, जैसे आपने देखा कुछ स्टूडेंट हैं जो टीचर्स के साथ में अच्छे से बिहेव नहीं करते हैं, चैलेंजिंग हो जाते हैं, तो फिर टीचर्स उनको ज्यादा अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं कर पाते हैं. इट्स वेरी नेचुरल, isn't it? This is the second quality that we should be inquiring submissively. And the third thing told is sevaya. Sevaya means rendering some services, कुछ सेवा करना, like पहले के जो ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम था, a person used to go to the ashram of the guru, he used to go to gurukul, and there he used to try to serve the guru, like अब देखो जब हम इसको सर्व करते हैं तो उसका हाथ सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. तो वैसे जो लोग स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज होते हैं, they are very dear to the God, they are very dear people, they are very dear to God. So if we can try to also serve them, that's why there was a concept of guru dakshina, a disciple used to give some dakshina to the guru for the knowledge which he has gained from the guru. तो सेवा मतलब कि सेवा करना, because जब हम सेवा करते हैं ना गुरु की, तो हमको स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज समझ में आती है. This recording things, I think बार-बार ये मैसेज आ रहा है बीच में. Okay. This is the third thing. Okay, so this is one has to first surrender. Three things: one has to surrender, one has to inquire, and one has to do service. So these are the three ways how we should approach a spiritual teacher. We should surrender ourselves to him, we should inquire from them, and we should try to serve them. Okay. Now see, many people they say that, oh, can't I figure out the truth myself? ठीक है, मैं खुद ही अपने आप सब चीजों को जान सकता हूँ. Why to a person consider to him? I'm a rational person. I can do things on my own. So, see, you will find that if you want to gain knowledge, then you always have to accept some authority. अगर हमको कोई भी knowledge लेना होता है ना, तो आप देखोगे कि हमको किसी authority को accept करना पड़ता है. For example, like now, suppose you have a physics, or let us say, suppose you have to learn coding. Okay? Now, says to that dear student, you can learn from this. Let us see, like Bala Guru Swami or somebody, So then he tells to you that you go and you can learn from that book. Now you don't say no. I develop my own thinking. I will try to understand the things on my own. No, see, the teacher says to you that first of all you go through this book, try to understand this book. Then you will be able to. Then you will be able to have an ability to further move ahead in this or further give your own research that way. तो पहले हम एक्सेप्ट करते हैं किसी अथॉरिटी को, तभी हमको नॉलेज गेन कर पाते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सेम वे अगर हमको स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज गेन करनी है तो हमको किसी अथॉरिटी को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा. इट इज रिटन हियर, लाइक यू रेफर टू सम बुक. अब बुक में कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है, आप उसको एक्सेप्ट करते हो डायरेक्टली, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑथराइज्ड बुक. So if we can put our faith on the mass textbook, then why don't put faith upon the spiritual textbooks? You have to put faith, We don't have to put blind faith, but we have to put faith to be able to gain the knowledge, okay? Like here are some examples. For example, like when you go to the doctor now. So now the doctor is telling that, okay, you can take this red medicine, yellow medicine, this capsule, that capsule, right now. So you don't then, try to find out everything about every capsule, okay, whether it is good or not. Because doctor is the proper authority, you simply accept from the doctor. डॉक्टर ने बोला कि ये दवा खानी है, डाल टाइम नहीं आप उसको खाते हो, क्यों? क्योंकि डॉक्टर एक प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी है और उसके ऊपर में फेथ पुट करके आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो। ओके, तो सी यू रिक्वायर टू हैव फेथ अपॉन द डॉक्टर। Same way, like when you go to the barber in the shop, now barber may cut your throat also with the blade, right? But you have some faith upon the barber that he will properly, he will just cut my hairs only. So you put your faith upon the barber also. So likewise आप देखोगे ना कि हर एक फील्ड में हम लोग को फेथ पुट करना पड़ता है किसी अथॉरिटी पे, राइट? लाइक सपोज अ चाइल्ड इज देयर, ही वांट्स टू नो अबाउट हिज रिलेटिव्स, हिज फादर एंड ऑल. Child has to believe upon the mother. So in every walk of life, we will find it, we always have to put some faith upon some authority in order to be able to gain the knowledge. Okay. Like you want to learn engineering, so you have taken admission into MNIT because it's an authorized engineering college. And suppose even if, let us say, even if somebody wants to learn dancing, singing, or cricket or football, then one has to have a proper coach. One has to approach a coach. सो इवन फॉर आप देखोगे कि इवन इन सब मटेरियल चीजों के लिए भी हमको एक प्रॉपर कोच की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. एंड व्हाट टू स्पीक ऑफ स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज. स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज इज समथिंग व्हिच इज बियॉन्ड दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड एंड बियॉन्ड द मटेरियल सेंसेस. सो इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, वी surely require a spiritual teacher, because on our own we cannot understand that knowledge, because even material knowledge also, even to understand the material knowledge, we need a proper teacher. Okay, so those people, now there are many people, they try to approach some gurus, and later on they find out that those gurus were bogus, they were fake. झूठे गुरु निकलते हैं, लाइक बहुत सारे आपने सुने होंगे केसेस के बारे में. तो कई लोगों को जब ऐसे कुछ गलत गुरु का एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, then they set their mind. What do they set their mind? They think that okay, better is we will hear our inner voice. छोड़ दो, सारे गुरुओं को छोड़ देते हैं, बेटर अपने आप हम भगवत गीता पढ़ेंगे, अपने आप समझ जाएंगे. एंड क्योंकि because they have got a bad experience from some teachers. Okay, so just because you have got a bad experience from some so-called teacher doesn't mean that you can reject all the teachers. For example, like let us say, suppose आप अपना दांत दिखाने के लिए किसी डेंटिस्ट के पास में गए, अभी उसने सर्जरी करते समय आपका दांत सपोज तोड़ दिया, खराब कर दिया, doesn't mean that आपने सारे डेंटिस्ट से आप अपना फेथ उड़ा दोगे कि नहीं, कोई भी डेंटिस्ट सही नहीं है, कोई भी डेंटिस्ट काम नहीं करता. नो, किसी एक ने गड़बड़ किया डज नॉट मीन दैट बाकी डेंटिस्ट भी गलत होते हैं. तो पॉइंट ये है कि हमको पता होना चाहिए कि असली डेंटिस्ट का क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है. सेम वे वैसे हमको पता होना चाहिए कि असली जो गुरु है उसका क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है. अगर हम उस क्वालिफिकेशन को समझेंगे कि ये क्वालिफिकेशन है, और उसके बेसिस पे अगर हम प्रॉपर गुरु को चूज करेंगे ना, तो फिर हम चीटेड फील नहीं करेंगे हमारे लाइफ में, एंड देन विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड वेरी नाइसली. फॉर एग्जांपल, लाइक सपोज आप डायमंड के शॉप में गए, ओके, और आपको डायमंड खरीदना है, ठीक है. अभी उसने आपको डायमंड दिखाया, आपने डायमंड को लेकर आप आ गए, बाद में आपको पता चला कि ये तो नकली डायमंड निकला. तो इसमें किसकी गलती है? दुकानदार की गलती है कि आपकी गलती है? एनी ऑफ यू कैन आंसर, किसका गलती है? आप नकली डायमंड लेकर आ गए.
हमारी गलती है सर, हमें देख के रहना
सर. इट्स
ओके पवन, कैन यू टेल व्हाई इट इज आवर फॉल्ट? हमारा गलती क्यों नहीं है?
सर, वी शुड इंक्वायर दैट हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि हम कोई चीज ला रहे हैं तो उसे हमें परख के लानी चाहिए, अदरवाइज हमको धोखा तो कहीं भी हो सकता है.
वेरी गुड, एक्चुअली गुड पवन. सो हमको पता होना चाहिए कि असली डायमंड के क्या फीचर्स होते हैं, क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं, राइट ना? एंड इट्स अवर ड्यूटी टू टेक द प्रॉपर डायमंड. सेम वे बहुत सारे लोग चीटेड हो जाते हैं बोगस गुरुओं के कारण, क्योंकि लोगों को असली से पता नहीं है कि असली गुरु कैसे चूज करना चाहिए एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग. तो सेम वे अगर हमको अच्छा प्रॉपर नॉलेज रहे कि कैसे हु इज अ ट्रू गुरु, then we will be able to not get cheated actually. So just because people are getting cheated because of choosing some wrong gurus doesn't mean that there is no real guru. There are real gurus. We have to understand that what is their qualification. So if we properly understand their qualification, then, and if we properly go to the proper gurus, then we'll be able to get proper knowledge. Okay, so basically two things we tried to learn till now. One thing is that we need to have a spiritual guide to be able to know the spiritual knowledge, because in every field you have to have a authority. You need to accept some authority. You have to put some faith upon the authority. You have to put some faith upon the teacher. Then only you are able to gain knowledge. This is one thing. And second thing, we discussed that how it's our responsibility to know that what is a true guru all about. Then we'll be able to make a better decision. Okay, so we'll learn that what are the qualifications of a true guru as given in our Vedas. इसलिए देखो यहाँ पे कि स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर का इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नीड है हमारे लाइफ में. इसके लिए इसको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए इवन जब भगवान खुद आते हैं इस वर्ल्ड में, तो वो भी एक गुरु को एक्सेप्ट करता है, like here example is given of Lord Ram. So Lord Ram has accepted Vashishta Muni as his spiritual master. Same way if you find about Krishna, now Krishna is a supreme person, but when he came in this world, just to help all of us understand this importance, he also accepted as a spiritual master, that was Sandipani Muni. अगर आप उज्जैन में जाएंगे तो उनका आश्रम अभी भी है Sandipani Muni का. So they also accepted the spiritual master to show to all of us that how, if we want to learn spiritual knowledge, we have to accept a spiritual master. Okay, and that is what is being spoken in the Shastras, Vedas. It says, Tasmad Gurum Prapadyeta Jigyasu She Uttamam Shabde Parecha Nishnatam. तो उसे बताया गया तस्माद गुरुम प्रपद्येत जिज्ञासु शे उत्तमम. जो व्यक्ति जिज्ञासु है, जो इस तरीके की इंक्वायरीज रखता है अपने लाइफ में कि व्हाट आर रियल प्रॉब्लम्स, हाउ कैन सॉल्व द रियल प्रॉब्लम्स, उस व्यक्ति को गुरु के पास आना चाहिए. गुरुम प्रपद्येत, गुरु के पास ऐसे व्यक्ति को आना चाहिए. और उस गुरु की क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए वो बता रखा है. शाब्दे परेच निष्णातम. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? विल सी इट. These are the different qualifications now. That what are the different qualifications of a true guru? See, we will see this. Okay, पहला बता रखा है जैसे यहाँ पे. अच्छा, इससे पहले एक बार हम और भी करते हैं. there are many bogus gurus. Like जैसे यहाँ पे हमने एग्जांपल दिया डायमंड वाला. See, बहुत सारे bogus gurus हैं. कुछ गुरुज बोलते हैं कि ठीक है, आप बस कुछ भी करते रहो अपने लाइफ में, चाहे गलत काम करो अच्छा काम करो, कोई मतलब नहीं है, बस आप हमें मंथली डोनेशन दे दिया करो तो आपका सब कुछ अच्छा है. So can you say, is he a real guru?
No, sir.
Sir,
No,
Let us
sir.
sir, but I want to say
No,
that
sir.
maybe, sir, he is using, sir, money for, sir, pursuing, sir, saving the cows and all other things. Maybe, sir, it is good, sir.
In that way, if that money is being used for that purpose, then it may be good actually. But yeah, generally it is not. Like I know.
Generally not, sir, but we don't, sir, comment to anyone, sir, directly said it is a bad or good, sir. Sir, in Bhagavad Gita also said that we don't criticize to any others.
No, we don't want to criticize like that. We're not just trying to criticize, but we're trying to learn that who is a proper guru. तो सी आप देखोगे सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे ऐसे सो कॉल्ड गुरुज हैं जो बोलते हैं कि बस मुझे डोनेशन देते रहो और है ना, आपके लाइफ में कुछ हो रहा है कुछ नहीं हो रहा है उनको कोई लेना देना नहीं है. So देखो, रियल गुरु जो होता है, अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे उसके बारे में, तब आपका क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर्ली आंसर हो पाएगा. ओके, मींस व्हाट अ रियल गुरु शुड गिव टू द डिसाइपल, विल डिस्कस इट इन द सेशन. ओके, तो लाइक दैट बहुत सारे गुरुज हैं. कई गुरु बोलते हैं कि अगर आप हमारे पाँव छूना चाहते हो तो आपको 5 लाख रुपए देने पड़ेंगे तो आप हमारे शिष्य बन जाएंगे. दैट्स नॉट अ ट्रू गुरु. And same way we can think XYZ, many gurus we can find. Okay, we'll discuss what a true guru should be. So see, this is the first thing spoke true guru. आप में से पढ़ना चाहेगा इसको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The guru must have heard the absolute truth in a discipline.
Yeah. So उसका क्या? इंग्लिश आपको म्यूट करना पड़ेगा. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is the first thing spoken here. कि the guru must have heard the absolute truth in a disciplic succession. Disciplic succession का मतलब है कि परंपरा में. Okay. तो आपने शायद पढ़ा होगा कि टोटल 4 परंपरास जिसमें स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज ओरिजिनली आ रही है भगवान से लेके. तो जो गुरु होना चाहिए वो भी एक परंपरा में होना चाहिए. He should be also just like जैसे आपके टीचर्स कॉलेज में, तो भी कोई किसी भी अरे गहरे व्यक्ति को टीचर नहीं बना दिया जाता है. बीटेक किया है, एमटेक किया है, पीएचडी किया है, पोस्ट डॉक किया है, प्रॉपर इंस्टीट्यूट से किया है, उन लोगों को मौका दिया जाता है टीचर बनने का. वैसे ही जो स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज भी आ रही है वो 4 परंपरा में आ रही है. देयर आर 4 संप्रदाय जिसको बोलते हैं. देयर आर सम 4 संप्रदाय, उसमें वो प्रॉपर नॉलेज आ रही है. तो कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर गुरु है, he should be belong to one of those paramparas. If he is not into some parampara, like there are many people that they try to give their own philosophy. अपने मन का कुछ भी philosophy दे देते हैं, they say that we are gurus. So that's not the proper way. If somebody has to be guru, then he has to take knowledge from the Vedas and he has to be coming into one of the sampradayas. Okay, this is the first thing. तो उसी को बोलते हैं डिसाइप्लिक सक्सेशन, मतलब कि गुरु शिष्य परंपरा जिसको बोलते हैं ना. एक व्यक्ति अपने गुरु से नॉलेज गेन करता है, फिर वो बाद में खुद भी जाके गुरु बनता है, लेकिन वो नॉलेज कहाँ से लेता है? परंपरा से लेता है. जो गुरु और डिसाइपल की जो चेन है वहां से लेता है. ठीक है. सेकंड थिंग, या एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू रीड? एक्चुअली इसमें हमने कुछ 10-12 पॉइंट्स लिखे. अगर हर एक बार एक डिफरेंट पर्सन पढ़ेगा तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा.
He does not bluff, but speaks from scriptures.
तो दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो गुरु जो भी नॉलेज देता है ना, वो स्क्रिप्चर से ही देता है, शास्त्र से ही देता है, बिकॉज शास्त्रास आर द वर्ड्स ऑफ गॉड. The knowledge which we have in this world, that is contaminated by the defects, But the knowledge coming in the Vedas, we discussed earlier also, ना, that is a pure knowledge. So जो गुरु होता है वो अपना खुद का कुछ मन से कुछ ज्ञान नहीं देता है, जो शास्त्र में बताया गया उसी को as it is pass on करता है. That is a true guru. Okay, thank you. Next thing, yeah, anyone else?
Speaks about God, not how to enjoy material world in a better way.
Yeah. See, there are many people, they say that we are guru, and then they are trying to, teach yoga, how you can have a stronger body. Especially like some of my friends were in America, they were telling, अमेरिका में बहुत सारे इंडियन गुरुज गए वहाँ पे, और वो लोगों को बोलने की मेडिटेशन करना है, योगा करना है, और उससे क्या होगा, आपका बॉडी बहुत हेल्दी हो जाएगा, आपका माइंड बहुत पीसफुल हो जाएगा, और आप अच्छे से अपने बॉडी को एंजॉय कर सकते हो. यू नो, आप अच्छे से एंजॉय कर सकते हो सारे एंजॉयमेंट्स, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, मेटिंग, डिफेंडिंग. So the purpose of yoga is to have a healthy body for better mental enjoyment. So what do you say? Is this right philosophy? What do you say?
Sir,
No,
it is
sir.
not the right philosophy, sir. Sir, in my opinion, sir, हमें सर योगा के रास्ते में नहीं चलना चाहिए. सर, हमें रास्ते में योगा को लेकर चलना चाहिए.
रास्ते में योगा को लेकर चलना चाहिए. अरे आपने बहुत सीक्रेट बात कर दी. Can you explain what you want to say?
सर, I want to say that in our daily life, सर हमें सर मतलब कि पूरा दिन या मतलब कि योगा के बेसिस पे कुछ लोग आजकल यूट्यूब पे वीडियो आते हैं, मतलब सारा चीज दिखाते हैं, बॉडी पे बेस रहते हैं, अपना बॉडी मतलब मेंटेन करते हैं, दिखाते हैं, उनसे कुछ मतलब नहीं होता. ये अपना मतलब ये तो अपने का कोई गोल तो है नहीं. तो we should live life chanting or remembering the God name every time, and also do yoga for health in the morning or in the evening.
Good point. Anyone else want to say something about this point?
Sir, I want to add, like, we cannot
Ayush?
say it is completely wrong, because like it helps, yoga helps to reduce mental stress also, so like that might be beneficial.
Yes, Ayush, correct. So the point was कि देखो कई लोग बोलेंगे, so called yoga teachers, they will say that yoga means just keep your body healthy and just try to enjoy this world. Is this proper spiritual knowledge? What do you say?
Sir, I want to
add. You can speak.
Sir, according to me, doing yoga is essential, but it is not spiritual. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि सिर्फ योगा करना ही स्पिरिचुअल है. योगा करना ठीक है, बट यही सिर्फ योगा करना ही स्पिरिचुअल नहीं हुआ. इसके हमें और भी चीजें, चैंटिंग और भगवत गीता ये सब पढ़ना होगा.
अच्छा, तो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, योगा करना या फिर चैंटिंग करना या फिर क्या नाम, भगवत गीता पढ़ना?
सर मेरे हिसाब से सर सब कुछ करना इम्पोर्टेंट है. अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग चीजें.
ओके. एनीवे चलो हम जस्ट सम अप करते हैं. देखो योगा का जो मतलब ना, योगा हैज कम फ्रॉम द वर्ड यूज. यूज का मतलब होता है कि कनेक्ट करना अपने आप को गॉड से, तो वहां से बड़ा है योगा. ओके, तो योगा क्यों दिया गया है हमारे शास्त्रार्थ में ना, योगा का पर्पस है हमारे बॉडी को हेल्दी रखने के लिए, हमारे माइंड को फोकस रखने के लिए योगा का कॉन्सेप्ट दिया गया है, ताकि हम लोग जब एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं उससे हमारा बॉडी थोड़ा हेल्दी रहेगा और हमारा माइंड भी हम उसको कंसंट्रेट कर पाएंगे. और कंसंट्रेट कहाँ पे करना है, हमको भगवान पे कंसंट्रेट करना है. गीता में भगवान बताते हैं 6th चैप्टर में आता है ना, दैट योगिनाम अपि सर्वेषां मद्गतात्मना श्रद्धावान भजते यो माम समय युक्त तमो मतः. वहां पे भगवान बता रहे हैं कि योगा का पर्पस क्या है. जो सबसे बड़ा योगी होगा वो क्या करेगा, वो अपने सारे माइंड को, अपने माइंड को फोकस करके, अपने सेंसेस को कंट्रोल करके, अपने माइंड को फोकस करके वो भगवान पे ध्यान केंद्रित करेगा. ओके, देखो योगा इज श्योरली कैपेबल ऑफ गिविंग अस अ हेल्दी बॉडी, बट द पर्पस ऑफ द योगा इज नॉट सिंपली टू गिव अस अ हेल्दी बॉडी फॉर एंजॉयिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड. The purpose of the yoga is to give us a healthy body so that we can work upon self-realization, so that we can focus upon the spiritual activities of chanting or reading and purifying our hearts. But suppose if somebody says that no, just do yoga, keep your good body and just try to enjoy. You can have unlimited sex enjoyment, you can have unlimited eating, sleeping. So that's not the purpose. The purpose has got defeated. Does it? समझ में आया आप लोगों को ये point?
Yes, sir.
So the real guru will teach us that how, he will speak that how we should not try to enjoy this material world. Rather, we should try to, live our life in a way that we are able to go back to the spiritual world. That is what it says na, Oma Satoma Sadagamaya Tamsoma Jyotirgamaya Mitturma Amaya. So the purpose of the yoga should not be forgotten. The purpose of the yoga is to be able to help us connect with the God. That should happen. Okay, so that is a real teacher. Real teacher will tell us that how our goal is not this material world, but our real goal is the spiritual world. Okay, thank you. Let us go ahead. Yeah. Yes, and this point.
Cannot be purchased by any amount of money, and not after women wealth of love.
Yeah, thank you, Sachin. Real guru होना चाहिए. He should not be purchased by any amount of money. He is not after the woman, wealth or followers, right? तो जो असली गुरु होगा ना, he is simply happy to distribute the knowledge of God to the people. He does not care that how much money he is getting from the people, or he is not trying to have followers. You know, वो अपने followers बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं भागेगा. That is a characteristic of a real guru. You know, like आप देखोगे वैदिक टाइम में ना, वैदिक टाइम में जो ब्राह्मणास होते थे, they used to give spiritual knowledge to the people. So they will not look for the money from people unnecessarily. Indeed, they will give all the knowledge freely to the people, and they will simply accept the charity. जो भी उनको दान में मिलता था उससे वो satisfied रहते थे. That was the brahmanas actually. So जो real teacher होगा ना, he will be not dependent upon the money or the wealth. You know, like इस वर्ड में real guru simply wants to give the spiritual knowledge. Okay, let's go ahead. Yeah, please read it.
Guru must have sense control.
Sense control.
Yeah. So जो गुरु होना चाहिए उसका sense control होना चाहिए, right? He should be able to have good habits. He should be able to have control over the senses. You know, अभी I was hearing one of my friends was telling one of the times. एक गुरु था, you know, he was trying to guide many people, and this guru himself, he used to smoke cigarettes. So what do you think? Is he a real guru?
No, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
रहा है तो वो बाकी लोगों को क्या हेल्प कर पाएगा. लेकिन जो रियल गुरु होना चाहिए उसके सेंसेस कंट्रोल होने चाहिए. यू नो, लाइक देयर वाज वन वेरी फेमस सेंट, हिज नेम वाज हरिदास ठाकुर. तो एक बार वो चैंट कर रहे थे और एक प्रोस्टिट्यूट थी उनको के लिए, तो उन्होंने, लेकिन वो अलर्ट नहीं हुए, एंड ही वाज एबल टू, इवन वो जो प्रोस्टिट्यूट थी उनको उन्होंने उसको भी डिवोटी बना दिया, उसको भी चैंटिंग स्टार्ट करवा दिया. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ अ रियल गुरु, दैट इज हैविंग सेल्फ कंट्रोल, हिज सेंस कंट्रोल, हिज सेंसेस आर इन कंट्रोल. यू नो, he does not run behind the money, wealth, followers, etc. Okay. And yeah, please read ahead.
Guru should be decorated with all saintly qualities.
Yeah. तो श्रीमद् भागवतम में, I can show you this shloka also, but this is the same shloka. तो गुरु के अंदर ने कुछ क्वालिटीज बताई गई कि ये सारी क्वालिटीज किसी होनी चाहिए. ओके, गुरु में और एनी सेंटली पर्सन में सारी क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए. यू नो, सी व्हाट आर दिस क्वालिटीज? तितिक्षवा, कारुणिकः, सुहृद सर्वदेहिनाम, अजात शत्रुव शांत, साधव साधुभूषण. ये भागवतम के 3rd कैंटो में ये श्लोका आता है. दिस इज बीइंग स्पोकन बाय कपिल देव टू देवा. उसमें बता रखा है कि साधु होता है उसके क्या क्वालिटीज होनी चाहिए. तितिक्षवा, तितिक्षवा मतलब कि वो टॉलरेंट होता है, वो टॉलरेट करता है, लोगों को फॉरगिव करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, लाइक वी नो अबाउट जीसस क्राइस्ट, तो उनको क्रूसिफाई किया गया था बिकॉज़ ही वाज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग द स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज, बट ही वाज, I heard one time कि क्रूसिफाई किया जा रहा था ना, तो you know he was praying to the God that, oh my dear Lord, please kindly forgive these people. Why? Because they don't know what they are doing. So अभी हम में से कोई होता तो हम लोग बोलते कि अरे भगवान ने सबको अच्छे से पनिश करना, ये लोग ने मेरे साथ ऐसा किया. But see the beauty of the great spiritual teacher like Jesus Christ, he was praying for them that these people are ignorant, they don't have any knowledge, that's why they are doing it to me. So Lord, please kindly forgive them. So this is the quality of a true guru. He's karunika, he's compassionate to others. You know, he's suhrit, he's a well-wisher of everyone. He tries to distribute the knowledge to everyone. He's shanta, he's sadhu. So these are the different qualities mentioned in the Shastras. Okay. And yeah, go ahead. Next quality.
The essence of scriptures, not just the sense.
Okay. So यहाँ पे बता रखा है, the guru should know the essence of the scriptures, not just a Sanskrit scholar. तो जो गुरु होता है उसको जो हमारे सारे शास्त्र दे रखे हैं उसका एसेंस पता होना चाहिए, कंक्लूजन पता होना चाहिए, राइट ना. सी देखो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, ऐसा भगवद गीता में भी भगवान बताते हैं ना, ही सेज वेदेश्च सर्वेर अहम एव वेद्यो. दिस कम्स इन द 15th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, 15th shloka. So that there Krishna is telling that how वेदेश्च सर्वेर अहम एव वेद्यो, जो सारे वेद हैं उसका पर्पस क्या है? पर्पस इज बेसिकली अहम एव वेद्यो. Aham means to me, Vedam means janna. So the purpose of all the Puranas, all the Upanishads, the Bible, the Quran, etc., the purpose of all the scriptures, all the holy books is basically to help us appreciate the real God, the real true God, that is Krishna. So जो real guru होता है, he understands about this conclusion of the Shastras, that how the Shastras are telling that there is one supreme God and how we all have a loving relationship with that supreme God. And the purpose of life is to again revive our relationship with that God and to go back to his place. So that is the essence of all the knowledge actually. आपने भले ही शास्त्र में पढ़े हो, भले ही आपको सारे पता हो, नाम भी ना पता हो, मुझे पता है सारे उपनिषद के, but you should know that, see, like कहते हैं ना, पूरा रामायण सुन लिया लेकिन आपको पता नहीं कि सीता क्या है. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग जिन्होंने, जो लोग ना ट्राई करते रहते हैं श्लोकास को समझने का और ग्रामर के पर्सपेक्टिव से वो पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं, संस्कृत में क्या लिखा गया क्या नहीं लिखा. बट इफ यू आस्क दैट, ओके, यू हैव रेड सो मच अबाउट द Upanishads and the Shastras, what is the ultimate conclusion you find from the Shastras? So then they will be not able to take out ki, they will not be able to tell ki what is the ultimate conclusion. But the beauty na, agar parampara mein knowledge milta na, then very clearly you can know. Like for example, like all of you have now gone through your device workshop and all those things. Like if I ask you that, what is the goal of life? Can any of you say what is the goal of life?
Love and serve God.
Perfect, right? And who we are? What is our real identity?
Our souls.
Soul. Yeah. See, these are two simple questions and you are answering it so easily. But there are so many people who may be trying to learn, the Upanishads and the Vedas, and they will not be able to answer this thing. So why you are able to answer this? Because you are getting the knowledge in the parampara. This is the beauty of the proper knowledge. अगर आप किसी authorized person के पास जाते हो knowledge लेने के लिए, then you can very clearly know anything and everything, right? Like all of you, I always say to the students that you all have full freedom. You are all science students. You can all always explore the things in a very rational manner. So you'll find, if you have any questions, you can always ask your seniors, because the knowledge is perfectly there. There's answer to all the questions. Sometimes we may not be able to know that, but we can ask our superiors and can let you know. So this is the beauty of the knowledge of the Shastras, So जो real guru होता है, उसको Shastras का essence पता होता है. That is the beauty of the. He's not simply a Sanskrit scholar जिसको संस्कृत आती है. No, he knows the essence of the knowledge. That's more important. Okay. Next quality. Yeah. One, you can read the first one.
Request everyone on behalf of God to become devotee of the God.
Thank you, Shivansh. Shivansh, I heard that you are a very good boy, practicing very nicely.
Sir.
So
he is a lover of God and progress love of God.
Okay, next.
Never claims to be God, but always delights in being servant of God.
Thank you. Next.
Collects respect of all living beings and offer it
to God, है ना? So हम इसको discuss करते हैं one by one. Like first क्या बताया गया? He requests everyone on behalf of God to become devotee of God. Okay. See, there are people sometimes they say that, oh, है ना, you all are also God. हम सब भी God है. हम लोग अपने आप को explore करेंगे तो हमें पता चलेगा कि हम भी God है. See, that's a bogus philosophy. We are not God. We are part and parcel of the God, right? See, God is the one who is creating so many wonderful things in this world. God is the one who is able to control everything. Can we say that we are controlling the planets? We don't have even control over our body, Our heart may stop at any point of time. Our lungs may stop working at any point of time. So, but God means one who is able to have control over everything. That is the definition of God. So, जो real guru होता है, वो यही बताता है कि कैसे हम सब, we all are servants of God and we have a loving relationship with the God. We are not the gods. That is the real guru. Okay. Second thing is he is a lover of God and he propagates the love of God. Okay. See, any path you take, whether it's Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, the purpose of any religion is ultimately to help us develop love for God. That is the purpose of the dharma. Dharmam tu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. The purpose of the religion is that by following the religion, you should become a devotee of God. You should be able to have love and appreciation for God. That is the purpose of any religion. So a true guru will always try to help us become a lover of God. That is a qualification of a true guru. Okay. Third thing he says, he never claims to be God, but always delights in being servant of God. So जो true guru होगा, वो यही teach करेगा कि हम सब भगवान के servants हैं. Like Jesus, when he came, he never told that I am God. Jesus always told that we all are sons of Christ. He told that we all are servants. He always told that I am a messenger of Christ, like that. Jesus never claimed to be the God. So that's why he was a true guru. So that is the meaning of a true guru, that he always understands, he always tries to make people understand that how we are all servants of God. And last thing is, he collects respect of all the living beings and offers it to God. So real guru होता है ना, वो respect को लेता है अपने disciples से, लेकिन वो respect किसको देता है, वो भगवान को offer करता है. See, guru is a representative of the God. Just like let us say, I think इसमें example दिया होगा हमने. For example, like suppose आपके director sir है, अभी डायरेक्टर सपोज MNIT से सपोज कोई प्रोफेसर अगर किसी दूसरे NIT में जाता है ना, तो उसको काफी रेस्पेक्ट दिया जाता है भाई, बिकॉज ही इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ MNIT फॉर दैट कॉलेज. तो सेम वे जो गुरु है, he is a representative of God. That's why he should be also given all the respects with this understanding that how, because he is a representative of the God. Okay. Now see, here is another thing mentioned. Any of you can read this?
Sir, may I read?
Please go ahead.
If qualified with spiritual knowledge, it is immaterial what caste or nationality guru belongs to.
Yeah. यहाँ पे 2 एग्जांपल्स बता रखे हैं. सपोज जब आप कभी किसी डॉक्टर के पास जब जाते हो तो पूछते हो क्या कि आप ब्राह्मण डॉक्टर हो या क्षत्रिय हो या वैश्य हो? डू वी आस्क दैट?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Why don't we ask that you are a brahmana doctor or a vaishya doctor, or why don't we ask?
Say if it treats us right, then
go to doctor.
I'll let Karthike speak. Yeah, Karthike.
So if he treats us right, then why we need to ask? Like,
how we can be confident that he can treat us properly?
Sir?
How can we be confident that he will be able to treat us properly? What is the basis?
His qualification and degree.
He's qualified, sir. He has a degree.
Yeah, who told this qualification wala point? Ujjwal?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good actually. See, the doctor, because he has done MBBS, we can be very confident he is capable of treating us, irrespective of whether he's a Brahmana, Kshatriya, Shudra, etc. Right? So same way, anyone can become a proper spiritual teacher. He can be an Indian, American, African, not necessarily that only Indians can become a guru. Anyone who knows about the knowledge of spirituality, who knows the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, he can become a spiritual master. Okay? तो किस जाति में किसने जन्म लिया है, किस रिलीजन में जन्म लिया है, वो सब मैटर नहीं करता है. मैटर क्या है कि उसके पास नॉलेज है कि नहीं है. अगर if he knows about the science of spirituality, then he can become a proper guide. जैसे कोई एग्जांपल देखा, like engineer also. We don't ask that you are an African engineer or Indian engineer. Engineer means he has qualification to be able to do engineering job. Same way, anyone who knows about the science of God, he can become a guru. Okay? So there should be no discrimination at, oh, he is an African person, he cannot become a guru. No, anyone can become. And there should be no discrimination that ठीक है वो तो किसी नीचे जाति में पैदा हुआ इसलिए वो गुरु नहीं बन सकता. No. Actually, Bhagavad Gita says that how this jati pati doesn't matter much. What matters is the qualification. Okay? So that are some of the main qualifications of the guru. And again, to just sum up, we'll just quickly show so that we are all again together. So the first and foremost is that he should be coming in a parampara. वो किसी न किसी परंपरा में होना चाहिए. And he should speak only from the scriptures. He should not be speaking on his own. And he should not teach us how to enjoy this world, but rather to help us purify our hearts and to go back to the spiritual world. He should not be running behind the wealth, followers, women, etc. He must have sense control, and he must be also having some good saintly qualities. And most importantly, he should be knowing about the conclusion of the scriptures, the essence of the scriptures. Not simply a Sanskrit scholar, Dvivedi or Trivedi or like that, There are many people who say that we are Dvivedi, Trivedi. What is the meaning of this? Dvivedi मतलब जिसको 2 वेद पता है. Trivedi मतलब जिसको 3 वेद पता है. चतुर्वेदी मतलब जिसको 4 वेद पता है. तो पहले के समय में ऐसा था कि फैमिली ऐसे हुआ करती थी कि जिसमें सारे लोगों को ऐसा ज्ञान दिया जाता था, इसलिए टाइटस एग्जिस्टेंस में है. अभी आज के समय में ऐसा नहीं होता है. डोंट प्लीज टेक इट, अगर आप में से कोई इसमें से होता है तो. पॉइंट ये है कि लाइक गुरु मीन्स ही शुड बी नोइंग अबाउट द नॉलेज, है ना, not simply a Sanskrit scholar. And he should be a lover of God. He should teach about loving God, and he should teach everyone that how we are servants of God. He should not try to become a God. Okay. And see, if you want to get spiritual knowledge properly, then we have to approach. There are some 4 sampradayas in the Bhagavad Gita. Also, Krishna says, he says about that how one can understand me in the parampara that comes in the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So they see यहाँ पे बता रखा है. This comes in the Padma Puran. Padma Puran में ये श्लोकास आता है जिसमें कि बता रखा है कि कौन से 4 संप्रदाय हैं. Okay, see what it says. संप्रदाय विहीना ये मंत्रस्थ निष्फल विफल मतः अथ अकलो भविष्यन्ति चत्वर संप्रदायहीना. और ये 4 संप्रदाय के बारे में बताया. इसमें पहले बता रखा है कि अगर कोई व्यक्ति संप्रदाय में नॉलेज नहीं ले रहा है, जैसे आप लोग अभी चैंटिंग कर रहे हैं मंत्रास, अभी बहुत सारे गुरु हैं कि आप हमको बस डोनेशन दो और हम आपको मंत्र दे देंगे, सीक्रेट मंत्र आपको दे देंगे. So actually that is not a real guru. Real guru is one who is coming in the parampara, and whatever knowledge he will give. So in this world there are many people, sometimes कई लोग होते हैं कि चलो ठीक है, हमारे है ना हमारा बिजनेस थोड़ा ठप पड़ रहा है, इसलिए हमको चलो गुरु के पास जाना चाहिए। तो अगर आपका बिजनेस ठप पड़ रहा है तो उसके लिए आप थोड़ा मेहनत कीजिए। You don't have to go to the guru to have a good business. Sometimes people think that if you will go to the guru तो हमारा सारा बीमारी ठीक हो जाएगा। नो, अगर बीमारी ठीक करना है तो डॉक्टर के पास में जाना चाहिए, isn't it? तो गुरु के पास कब जाना चाहिए? One who is serious to know about spiritual life, one who is serious to go back to the spiritual world, one who is serious about solving the real problems of life, he should go to the guru, not simply for getting some money or for getting some good health or getting some good wife. That should be not the purpose of the guru, because the purpose of the real guru is to help us, live a meaningful life in this world and to ultimately achieve the real purpose of life. Okay. तो anyways ये श्लोका बता रखा है कि कैसे अगर हम इवन जो ये मंत्रास जो होते हैं ना, अगर हम मंत्रास परंपरा के व्यक्ति से अगर हमें मंत्रा नहीं मिले, किसी प्रॉपर गुरु से मंत्रा नहीं मिले, तो उस मंत्र का फल नहीं मिलता है। सी इट इज टोल्ड हियर, संप्रदाय विहीना ये मंत्रस्थ विफलम मतः। अगर संप्रदाय विहीन कोई व्यक्ति है, किसी ने अगर संप्रदाय में नॉलेज नहीं गेन किया है, तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि गायत्री मंत्र करते हैं, ये मंत्र करते हैं, वो मंत्र करते हैं, पर आप देखोगे कि उनके लाइफ में ज्यादा ट्रेंड चेंज नहीं होता है। अब देखो कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं वो बोलते हैं कि हम भी स्पिरिचुअल माइंडेड हैं, हम लोग भी पूजा पाठ करते हैं, हमारे भी ये गुरुजी हैं, वो गुरुजी हैं, बट अगर आप उनके लाइफ को देखोगे ना, तो आप देखोगे दे कंटिन्यू टू स्मोक सिगरेट, बीड़ी, दे कंटिन्यू टू टेक सम इंटॉक्सिकेंट्स, और दे कंटिन्यू टू deal in a irresponsible way, they continue to be diplomatic and envious, etc etc। तो आप देखोगे कि उनके लाइफ में ज्यादा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पाता है, क्योंकि वो लोग सही सोर्स से नॉलेज नहीं ले रहे हैं। On the contrary, आप देखोगे आप में से आप, like many of you now, I think all of you for all of you program started somewhere in the beginning of January, I suppose. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, now it's almost 1.5 months for all of you, right? But I'm very sure that many of you, whatever knowledge you might have gained in your these sessions of BYS and all, I'm very sure that it must have helped you to become a people of better character. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Now you may.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, yeah, I feel
Yes,
I also feel, sir.
Yeah. So see, this is the beauty of the knowledge coming in the parampara. That when we hear the proper knowledge in the parampara, then actually it works. I'm very sure that many of you must be able to experience some good benefits of chanting Hare Krishna. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the meaning of the parampara, ना? अगर हम सही सोर्स से लेते हैं ना, see यहाँ पे देखो एग्जांपल पे दे रखा है. You have a fake mobile, you have an original mobile, you have a fake Adidas, you have a real Adidas, right? So the quality matters. तो मेंशन कि अगर संप्रदाय में नहीं ले रहे हैं तो नॉलेज हमारे लिए वर्क नहीं करेगी। ओके। और देखो ये बता भी रखा है कि 4 संप्रदाय हैं। सी श्री ब्रह्म रुद्र सनक वैष्णव क्षिति पावनः चत्वरस्ते कलौ भव्य ही उत्कले पुरुषोत्तमात् रामानुजम श्री चक्रे माधवाचार्यम चतुर्मुख श्री विष्णु स्वामिन रुद्रो निम्बादित्यम चतुष्णस। अगर आपने पूरा फिलॉसफी पढ़ा है हमारे इंडियन फिलॉसफी, तब आपको समझ में आएगा। सी ये ऑलरेडी पद्म पुराण में बता दिया था पहले से कि कलयुग में ये 4 संप्रदाय में नॉलेज आएगी। क्या क्या होंगे उनके नाम? सी आई थिंक आगे श्लोका में हमने लिखा है आपके लिए। तो ओरिजिनल जा रही है वो कृष्णा से आ रही है, सुप्रीम लॉर्ड से आ रही है। उन्होंने 4 लोगों को नॉलेज दिया था, लक्ष्मी जी, ब्रह्मा जी, लॉर्ड शिवा एंड 4 कुमारास, जिनको 4 कुमार भी बोलते हैं। और इन चारों लोगों ने भी अपनी जो नॉलेज है वो 4 मेन स्पिरिचुअल टीचर्स को नॉलेज दिया था। लक्ष्मी जी गिव टू रामानुजाचार्य। अगर आप जाओगे साउथ में, रामानुजाचार्य के बहुत सारे फॉलोवर्स हैं। ही वाज अ वेरी ग्रेट स्पिरिचुअल टीचर ऑफ ऑल द टाइम्स। सेम में जो ब्रह्मा जी थे उन्होंने नॉलेज दिया था नारद मुनि को। और उसी परंपरा में आते हैं माधवाचार्य। इंडिया टुडे इज अ वेरी ऑस्पिशियस डे। आज माधवाचार्य जी का डिसअपीयरेंस डे है। आज के दिन वो इस वर्ल्ड को लीव किए थे। ही वाज आल्सो वेरी ग्रेट पावरफुल टीचर। सिमिलरली लॉर्ड शिवा ने जो संप्रदाय दिया उसको बोलते हैं रुद्र संप्रदाय। तो उसमें जो फेमस टीचर है उनका नाम है विष्णु स्वामी। और जो कुमार संप्रदाय है उसमें आए उनका नाम है निमारक स्वामी। तो आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आपने इन टीचर्स के नाम सुने होंगे। तो ये 4 संप्रदाय हैं। जो लक्ष्मी जी का संप्रदाय उसको बोलते हैं श्री संप्रदाय। अगर आप साउथ में जाओगे ना, तिरुपति बालाजी एंड श्रीरंगम, तो वहां पे आपको मिलेंगे संप्रदाय के लोग हैं जो लोग उनका वर्शिप करते हैं लॉर्ड का। देन ये है ब्रह्म संप्रदाय, जिसमें कि आपके माधवाचार्य आते हैं। और इवन जो नॉलेज आपने गेन किया इन सारे सेशंस में, वो भी नॉलेज आपको ब्रह्म संप्रदाय के थ्रू मिल पा रहा है। एंड देन लॉर्ड शिवा का जो संप्रदाय उसको बोलते हैं रुद्र संप्रदाय। तो उसमें मेन टीचर हैं विष्णु स्वामी। अगर जाएंगे गुजरात में और राजस्थान में, उनके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स मिलेंगे आपको। एंड देन यू हैव कुमार संप्रदाय, जिसमें आता है निमारक स्वामी। तो ये 4 संप्रदाय है जिसमें कि वैदिक नॉलेज आ रही है। सो अगर हमको प्रॉपर नॉलेज गेन करना है तो हमको इनसे कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा। जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल सपोज मुझे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अगर सपोज गेन करना है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? जस्ट प्लग इन करते हैं। अभी प्लग में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ से आ रहा है? ओरिजिनली इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द टर्बाइन से जहां से जनरेट हो रहा है वहां से यहाँ पे आ रहा है, राइट? वैसे अगर हमको भी नॉलेज गेन करना है, वैसे हमको भी कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा एक प्रॉपर ऑथोरिटेटिव सोर्स से। ये 4 संप्रदाय हैं और जो रियल गुरु होगा वो इन 4 संप्रदाय से ही रिलेटेड होना चाहिए। ओके, और इसमें बता भी रखा है, दिस इज आल्सो इन वन ऑफ द उपनिषद्स कि यस्य देवे परा भक्ति यथा देवे तथा गुरु तस्य थे कर्ता प्रकाशन्ते महात्मनः, कि जो भी व्यक्ति प्रॉपर्ली किसी गुरु के पास में जाता है और ऑथराइज गुरु का से नॉलेज गेन करने की कोशिश करता है तो उसको सारी चीजें समझ में जाती है, सारे स्क्रिप्चर्स अपने आप समझ में आ जाते हैं उसको। दैट इज द ब्यूटी, एंड सी यहाँ पे देखो एक और चीज लिखी है, व्हाई डज वन गेट चीटेड? आप में से कोई पढ़ना चाहेगा?
People want to be cheated, therefore they get cheated. No one want to
Thank you, Aditya. Undergo the austerity. तो देखो इस वर्ड में हम क्यों देखते हैं कि लोग, इतने सारे लोग हैं जो स्पिरिचुअल चीजों के लिए अप्रोच करते हैं बट वो चीटेड हो जाते हैं। तो देखो यहाँ पे बता रहे कि दोज पीपल हु वांट टू बी चीटेड दे गेट चीटेड। इसका क्या मतलब है? अभी कई लोग हैं जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी में आना चाहते हैं कि इसके लिए दे डोंट वांट टू चेंज देयर लाइफ, दे जस्ट वांट टू हैव सम मोर मनी और दे वांट टू हैव सम अदर साइड थिंग्स, they want to continue with their same life, So for example, like there are many people, those of them who are taking intoxications, or those of them who have some illicit relationships, or those who go for gambling, or those who go for animal killing. तो एक्चुअली शास्त्र बताते हैं कि अगर किसी को स्पिरिचुअल पाथ फॉलो करना है तो उसको पूरी तरीके से चारों चीजों को छोड़ना पड़ेगा। One should fully give up animal killing, one should fully give up gambling, one should fully give up any kind of illicit sex relationships, which means sex before the marriage and sex outside the marriage. The proper Vedic system is one should get properly married to a girl and should lead a responsible life. And same way, no intoxication. So the real guru will teach us that how one should follow these principles. But if somebody does not want to follow these principles, then they will get such kind of teachers who will tell that you can do anything, no problem. Just give me my donation and you can be happy. That's not a real thing, right? So the real guru will not cheat us. He will tell us that what we should do, what we should not do properly. Okay. If somebody wants to be on the spiritual path, then he should avoid fully these 4 things. Okay. And see, because his last is यहाँ पे लिखे, genuine guru is a postal peon of the supreme lord. तो जैसे डाकिया होता है ना, डाकिया क्या करता है? खत लेकर आता है हमारे पास में। वैसे ही जो genuine guru होता है, he does not give anything of his own. He is just trying to deliver the message given by the God as it is to you. So that's why he is simply a postal peon. He is simply a master, So यहाँ पे बता रखा है कि who needs a guru, who does not need a guru. Very simple, we discussed already, right? Who needs a guru? A person who is serious about especially solving these real problems of life, ending this old age, disease and death. That should approach a guru actually, and that should approach a proper spiritual teacher, right? And if somebody wants to have material prosperity, कुछ आता है कि अच्छा पैसा कमाना और अच्छा हेल्थ गेन करना, of course ये सब चीजें भी हमें चाहिए इस वर्ल्ड में जब हम रहते हैं, तो we need to have some money, we need to have good health and all. There's nothing wrong. Spirituality does not tell that you have to have no good health, no money. But that is not the purpose of life. We discussed now, they are the short-term goals we have in our life. But the life is all about the long-term goal. Long-term goal of life is to be able to go back to the spiritual world. Okay. And one last thing, this is the last thing. And how we can know that the teacher is proper or not, this is also one last thing. There's something called as a check and balance. So this is called as a Guru, Sadhu and Shastra. इसका क्या मतलब है? Guru should only tell those things which are given in the Shastras, जो शास्त्रास में दे रखी हैं और जो बाकी टीचर्स ने भी बोली हैं. Not that, तो मान लो कोई गुरु है, अगर वो कुछ ऐसा बोल रहा है, सही बोल रहा है कि गलत बोल रहा है, वो आप कैसे चेक करोगे? वो सिंपल है, आपको चेक करना है शास्त्रास में क्या दे रखा है और जो पहले के जो टीचर्स हैं उन्होंने क्या नॉलेज दिया है. अगर वो उससे मैच है तो वो सही है, नहीं है नहीं है, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हमने एक फोटो डाला है. दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ बलि महाराज. तो आपने सुना होगा कि बलि महाराज एक बहुत बड़े किंग हुआ करते थे और एक बार भगवान वामन के रूप में उनके पास में आए. तो बलि के गुरु थे, उनका नाम था शुक्राचार्य. तो शुक्राचार्य को समझ में आया कि ये तो भगवान है और ये बलि से सारी चीजें ले लेंगे. तो उन्होंने उनको बोला कि इनको कमिट मत करो, इनको कुछ चैरिटी मत दो, है ना, क्योंकि ये भगवान खुद है और ये तुम्हारा सारा चीज लेने के लिए आए हैं. तो बलि महाराज ने सोचा कि क्या करना चाहिए. फिर उन्होंने सोचा कि एक्चुअली भगवान आए, सब कुछ मेरे से लेना चाहते हैं तो मुझे देना चाहिए. तो उन्होंने शुक्राचार्य को रिजेक्ट मार दिया, बिकॉज शुक्राचार्य he was not acting as a proper guru. A proper guru should also inspire a person to surrender oneself to the supreme God. So that's why he rejected him. The same way, a real guru should also be speaking things which are also written in the Shastras and which are also spoken by the other gurus. So that is also test of the real guru, right? तो अगर कोई गुरु सही चीजें नहीं बोल रहा है, वो भी आप पकड़ सकते हो कैसे, शास्त्रार्थ में लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है, और बाकी टीचर्स ने क्या बोला है, अगर वो उससे मैच नहीं करता है तो फिर वो गुरु को हमको फॉलो करने की जरूरत है। ओके, so this is the just summary of our session today. So just to again just recollect, हमने just डिस्कस करने का कोशिश किया कि आखिर हमको क्यों स्पिरिचुअल टीचर की रिक्वायरमेंट है, फिर हमने डिस्कस किया कि कैसे हम सही गुरु को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, और हमने ये भी डिस्कस किया कि कैसे who should approach a proper guru. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। थोड़ा सा हमने 10 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा ले लिया आप लोगों का, 5 मिनट एंडेड, आई थिंक 5:40 अराउंड वी स्टार्टेड, बोला था 5:30 तक 6:30 तक का टाइम है हमारे पास में, तो सॉरी दैट मैं थोड़ा लेट हो गया आज। एनीवेज आई एम डन नाउ। एनी क्वेश्चन एनीवन हैज? गौरव, व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट
Sir,
प्लान?
I want to ask a question.
हाँ गौरव,
Sir, sir,
जस्ट अ मिनट
sir,
पवन,
मेरे पास
just wait a minute. Gaurav,
Yes, sir.
you are our boss, please tell us what is the next thing.
Actually, right now we want to have that tiebreaker round.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
I think you are having some classes they have some classes now after 7 o'clock.
Yeah, that's why.
So you can continue it. I can be available. I have time today. You can have your tiebreaker and all, and then if somebody has some questions, I am there to answer them. Okay.
All right. So, but before that, I have some announcements also, sir. So, because they are going to have their end semester examination in March, so the next Sunday, that is on 28th of February, we'll be having our concluding program of this semester for the first years. So we'll be having a very special program, and we'll try to get some special guests. So I can tell you about some of the probable guests that would be coming. Let me just share my screen. Is my screen visible? Yeah, so is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll be having a very special personality. Like we'll try to have him. Obviously, I've developed that habit. So, but we'll try, and hopefully he should be available. So right now it's an anticipation, but he's a really very special person. We'll have Rahul Kumar Sivakula, sir. So sir has completed his BTech in Electronics and Communication from NIT Warangal, and he has done his PhD from IIT Kanpur. So sir has also worked in IBM, and currently sir is working in Harvard Medical School. So sir is working as a cardiovascular research. Sir is working as a cardiovascular researcher in the research center wing of Harvard Medical Center, and is there in a very high post. So currently sir has also been awarded by the American Heart Association postdoctoral fellowship. So he's one of the most esteemed personalities in Harvard there. He's one of the top top position holders in his branch. So Kushal sir, I just wanted that because we are going to invite a very big personality like him, so I thought maybe in front of you it would be a very nice thing. So we are trying.
I personally know him. Now he's a professor at Harvard University. Very, very good devotee.
Yes.
Very, very amazing personality. So you will be connecting with him from America? He's in America right now. Boston.
Yeah, yeah, we are trying. We are trying. If he can take out time from his busy schedule, then definitely we'd like to have some of his moments.
Surely he has a very rich experience. He has been into America also. There also he is doing programs for many years for the Boston University people. So surely his experience will be very helpful for all the students. Good
Yes,
planning.
sir. Yes, sir. And apart from this, there's a surprise for all the MNITians there. We'll also be having we'll try again. We'll try to have Professor Rajiv Srivastav. So sir is one of the esteemed professors in the mechanical engineering department of MNIT, and he's quite enthusiastic and quite appreciative of chanting and mantra meditation and of these Discover Yourself sessions. So we'll try if he can spare time, because MNIT is also going to open. His schedule might be a bit hectic, but we'll try our best so that we can have a session with him. So we'll have a professor in the next session from MNIT. That's it. So that's whom we are planning to have in as another guest. So Kushal, would you like to say something on this?
Oh, very good planning, very good planning. Actually, very appreciable that they have been participating very nicely. And now, as informed me that in March they have exams, right? So we are not going to have any program in the March for them, right?
Yes, sir.
So next time, as we were planning, we'll take a very special topic for all of them. We'll have a group discussion on a very interesting topic. Okay.
Yes, sir. So, and now it's time for
can
quiz.
continue.
Let's not delay it any further. And I think Kushal sir is also there waiting eagerly for the tiebreaker round. Let me first announce who all were the teams who were having the second position. So first, I'll announce the team numbers. You all can be ready as the team members. So the first team, which was there in the second position, is Team 4, and one of his members were Ujjwal Tyagi. Ujjwal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you and your team members can get ready. You can rename yourself as 4_Ujjwal.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The second team, who was in the second position, is team number 5. And I think Utkarsh Sharma was one of them. So team number 5 can rename themselves as 5_. I think Aditya Raj Pandey is already there. So yes, your team can rename yourself as 5_. And I think Pawan knows it. Team 7 is the one who is the third team in this race of second position. So Pawan, your team can get ready with 7_, your names, and we'll begin with Akshay sir as the quiz master again. This time it will be a direct buzzer round, right, Akshay sir? Yes. So over to you,
Yes,
Akshay
Gaurav,
sir.
correct. Yeah, thank you so much. I could see they all have attended a very beautiful session by Kushal Vaishnav sir on identifying a real spiritual guide. What are the characteristics and all. I also could hear a bit in the end. That was really very nice. But now is the time for all of you to be active and be ready for the quiz. So I request maybe all the teams are ready. Team 4 is ready.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So Ujjwal is there, Sachin is there, and Shashank is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, and team 5 is also ready, I think. Team 5 is Aditya there. Pranal is there, Aditya, Pranal, and the third one?
Utkarsh.
Utkarsh, yeah, perfect. And the 7th team is also there. Ashish, Ayush, and Pawan. You are ready, team 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So here we go. I'll share my screen. Yeah, please let me know once my screen is up. All of you can see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but somehow I am not able to see all of you. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah. Okay, friends. So the rules are a bit strict here. So no lifelines for today. And because it's a buzzer round, so we'll have 10 seconds for each question and we'll get 4 points for each right answer. And again, it's an open competition. Anyone who will raise hand first will going to have the chance to answer first. And the points will go to the same team to which he belongs to, like that. So all of you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So I think Gaurav can help me to find out who's the one who will raise hand first. Is it fine, Gaurav?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and also you have to note down also the points for the respective team.
Sure,
Thank
sir.
you. So here we go. And the first question is, what is the relation between science and spirituality? I think Shashank raised hand first, Gaurav.
Ritik had raised it when you were asking the question. Basically, you didn't finish it, but Ritik had raised it first.
Okay, so we'll give chance to Ritik then. Yes, Ritik, go ahead, quick.
Okay, wait. I think Ritik belongs to team 1. Ritik, why did you raise your hand? Okay.
Okay, then we'll go with the one who has raised it first. I think Shashank has raised it
Yeah,
first.
Shashank had raised it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead, Shashank.
So spirituality is the study of entirety and totality. That
Okay.
means everything, and science is a subset of spirituality, which deals with the physical, our knowledge, physical knowledge, and spirituality is everything that surrounds us.
Perfect, perfect. So 4 points for team 4, right? Very good explanation. I could see all of you are reading articles very nicely. So we'll go for the next question. And the second question is, yeah, Shashank can lower his hand. I would request maybe all of you can raise your hand after at least the question is displayed after that. Okay, the next question is, what are the 6 changes of the living body? Okay, Utkarsh has raised hand first. Yes, Utkarsh, go ahead. Might be you're speaking on mute. Utkarsh is there. Okay, then we'll give chance to the other one.
Yeah, Pranal was second.
Yeah, he's second. Pranal is second.
Yes, sir. Birth, maintenance, reproduction is there. So
Okay.
means byproduct.
Yeah,
That
that's
is there.
Okay.
Maintenance, that is there. Growth.
Yes, growth. And one last.
Last one is there's sir, diseases, suffering from diseases.
No, that's not the changes of the living body.
सर that सर वो बुढ़ापा क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, correct. Dwindling or old age. Perfect. Yeah. So 4 points for team 5 as well. Wonderful. But I would really request all of you can be a bit time specific because 10 seconds is the time. Yeah. So we'll go for the next question. Yeah. Utkarsh also can lower his hand. Perfect. Yeah. Thank you. So we'll go with the next question. And the question is, why humans have longing for understanding while animals don't have? Shashank has raised hand
Sir,
first.
this is why, because we humans have consciousness and we
Okay.
question our very own existence, whereas animals deal with only their immediate things, immediate needs, and that is why we have longing for understanding. Main reason because we have consciousness.
Perfect. Yes, true. Wonderful. Thank you. So all of you can lower the hand maybe. Yeah, and we'll go for the next question. I think these points goes to team 4, right, Shashank?
Yes, sir.
You are in team 4, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Team 4.
Perfect. Yeah. So ready for the next question? The question is, give some evidence, at least 2, to refute the Darwin theory of evolution. Yeah, I think Ujjwal raised hand first.
Yes. Sir, he said कि apes से हम आए हैं, पर जो हमें जो skeletons वगैरह मिले हैं, तो उससे prove नहीं हो पाता. और
that's one.
Second.
Yeah, second also.
Okay.
So time is up, and as per the rules, -2 will be given to this team because.
Sir, I have given half answer, so half point will let you.
Yeah, half answer you have given, but for this round actually, because we have to resolve the tie-up situation between the 3 teams, so that's why rules are a bit strict for here. So because you could not answer full, so we have to award -2 to team 4. Okay, we'll go to the next question. So that's why all of you, whoever is raising hand, you can be please a bit conscious.
Excuse me, sir. Like,
yes, please.
Who have raised his hand second, like, will he get the chance to answer the question which is unanswered by the first, who have raised his hand first?
No, no, we'll go to the next question. Has it been the round where we are passing the question? This would have been the case, but for this buzzer round, we are not doing it because already he has answered one, and now the next person only has to think the next evidence, which he could not give.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, so no issues. We'll go to the next question. Yeah, all of you can be ready.
Sir.
Yes, please.
So Utkarsh is saying, sir, मेरा mic on नहीं हो रहा है, sir. मतलब chat में बोल.
अच्छा, okay. Utkarsh का, हाँ, I think he's telling check for some technical issues. Okay. So maybe if he is raising the hand, then he can write down in the chat only answer as briefly as possible. Like that can be done. Okay, Utkarsh. Yeah. In case you are raising the hand, we'll give you a chance to maybe write down as briefly as possible. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. Okay. Okay, sir. Yeah, Utkarsh, you can try through your mobile maybe. That will be better. Okay, so the next question is, why can't Big Bang Theory explain the origin of universe? Give at least 2 reasons. So I could see Ayush have raised hand first. Yes, Ayush, go ahead.
Sir, because it does not have any proof, first reason. And
proof for what? That's what we are discussing, right?
Yeah, basically, like we assume that from explosion only destruction takes place.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
So here we are assuming, so that's one. And what's the second one? Give at least 2 reasons.
Yes, sir. Second one, we can say that how can explosion take place by its own? Like,
okay, perfect. Yes. So even if it is explosion, how it has happened on its own, there has to be someone who has done that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So we can give 4 points to team 7, right, Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And the next question is, mention some practical benefits of knowledge of Sol. Okay. I think Pawan have raised hand first. So we'll give chance to Pawan.
Sir, how many benefits?
At least 2 you can mention.
Sir, if we have knowledge of soul, then we will not distract from our real identity, just like any child distract from real to see any cartoon.
Okay. Yeah, that's one. Perfect.
And if we have knowledge of soul, then we do not have any fear of death, because we will know that only soul has one.
Perfect. Thank you, Pawan. So all 4 points to team 7. Only 2 questions are left now. All of you can be very active. And the next question is, yeah, Utkarsh can lower his hand maybe. Yeah. The next question is, mention some scientific proof of Sol, at least 3. Yeah, Aditya have raised hand first.
Scientific proof of soul.
Yes.
Like, sir, existence of soul I can prove, or it needs to be scientific only?
Yeah, it has to be scientific. The 4 scientific proofs which we have discussed in the session, out of which 3 you can mention. Okay, time is up. So all of you can lower the hand, maybe -2 for team 5. Yes, friends. So we'll go to the last question now. Utkarsh can lower his hand. Utkarsh Verma. Yeah, perfect. And the last question is, all of you please see the question first and then raise the hand. Why twins, even though exactly similar in body, have contrasting temperaments? Yeah, Ujjwal raised hand first. Given chance.
Sir, because they have different souls.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's simply like a different model, same car model, and because individual drivers
they have different softwares.
Not softwares exactly, the user itself is different.
Resemblance, same hardware and software.
Yeah, correct. Perfect. Thank you, Ujjwal. So thank you so much, friends. Hare Krishna. I think it's 7-8 already. Okay. So I'll stop here. Maybe Gaurav is ready with the result. I'm sorry in case the competition appeared a little difficult, because it has to be, because all the teams were very capable. So some strict rules has to be kept to resolve the situation. But I think now we have the team which is the winner, and the third team. Gaurav, you are ready? Or you are still calculating?
Yeah, thank you so much, Akshay sir. And I think Kushal sir is also there. He must have enjoyed this quiz. So while I was calculating the scores, I was updating the scores at each and every question. So till the last question, the position was that either of the teams could have won. No team was out of the game till the last question. So that was a really good fight. But yes, we have a clear-cut winner for that. But before I announce the winner, I wanted to make some announcement regarding the prize distribution for the weekly chanting toppers, the quiz, the Kaun Banega Spiritual Champion, and the OMG quiz that we have taken in this month. So these three will be done on next Sunday. So on that special program, we'll be having that special award ceremony to conclude. And of course, the last day for submission of note making that we had explained earlier about the Spring of Competition Festival. So the last date for submitting the notes is on Friday. So any one of you who is going to submit the notes, please be careful about the deadline. And this extempore, we'll be having it on most probably Saturday or Friday, like that. In case there is any clash of the days, we'll let you know if there is any shift in the timings. So this was that. Also, now because it's time for the winner to be announced. So, so I know, I think all of you must have guessed it out as well. The team who has stood second is team 4. So Ujjwal, Sachin, and Shashank, you all are in the second position. Congratulations. But before I congratulate, like you all can celebrate, I just want to say that team 5 and team 7 were also equally in the race. When in the second last question, after the scores had been updated, the score stood as team 5 was with 4 points, and team 5 was with 2 points. Team 4 was with 6 points, and team 7 was with 8 points. So ideally, team 7 was leading till the last question. And and if suppose team 7 or team 4 couldn't have answered it, and team 5 would have answered, then we would have probably team 7 as the winner. And if not, then we would have had team, like maybe something like, if suppose team 7 would have answered it wrongly, then again we would have had a tie. So team 4 and team 7 would have again gone for the next round. But team 4, Ujjwal held on to his nerves, and he really answered it correctly. So congratulations, team 4. And before concluding, I just want to say to everyone that please, we have seen all your enthusiastic responses about the articles that we have been sending for day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So please be enthusiastic like this and keep submitting your responses. Everyone is reading, and we are loving your responses there. And I'm sure there will be winners there at the end. So we'll have a winner for that also towards the end on next Sunday. So we would like to encourage all of you to please participate more and more in extempore, also in note making, and in article reading, especially article reading. I personally love all those articles. They are very mind-boggling. They're very intellectual. Do participate in the articles. So this is announcements and the results from our side. Thank you so much. And now,
sir, we have to announce the weekly chanting toppers also.
Yeah, Aman, maybe you can announce that, because I think you were keeping the track of it, right?
Yeah, I will announce.
Yeah, so you can announce the weekly chanting toppers.
So hope it is visible to all of you.
Yeah.
So these are the last weekly chanting toppers. The names are as follows: Nitesh Yadav, Ritik Vedsen, Ujjwal Tyagi, Sasank Saxena, Amit Kumar, Pawan Kumar Yadav, Aman, Sivans, Kundan, Divyansu Agrawal, Ayush Mishra, Chirag Srivastav, Sahil Kumar, Sachin Kumar, and Abhishek Agrawal. So these were the students who have chanted regularly last week. They are our weekly chanting toppers of the last week. So anything if you would like to say about them, sir?
Yeah, thank you so much, Aman. So Khushal said these are the boys who have been consistently chanting in the past week, and some of the names are quite familiar. They have been regularly becoming the weekly chanting toppers. So these boys are really amazing. They're chanting very consistently.
Wonderful.
And now,
very nice.
yes, sir. And now, if anyone has any questions related to this session, they can ask sir freely, because now the platform is open for question answers.
Sir, I want to ask an question.
Please. Also, if you want, you can put in the chat box also. You can also put on the chat box if those of you want to. Yeah, you please ask. Yes, what's your question?
Am I audible?
You're audible. Perfect.
Sir, I have a point. Can you clarify it? Sir, I have a point. Can you clarify it? It should also be a quality of teacher or not?
Please tell.
Sir, means I have a point. Teacher should have a capability to change the mindset of any person. Just like you have told us that a businessman came to Guru for increasing his business. That teacher should have capability to change his mindset, that he should not come for increasing his business, but he should come for to know the purpose of life.
Yeah, correct. Very correct, actually. Yes, so that is the purpose of the true Guru. He should teach that how one should be very serious about this life, and one should try to know about the spiritual knowledge. Correct. But see, it's ultimately it's up to the person. Ultimately, person has to accept that and understand that. Like for many of you also, you may also not be aware about all these truths which you have heard now in our sessions and all. But because you are quite intelligent people and you have good interest also, you have good spiritual interest, that's why you're able to appreciate that. No? So yes, it's the duty of the Guru. He can teach the real thing, what one can get from the spirituality, but ultimately it's on the person only. Same way, like I'm just remembering again, कई लोग हैं जो लोग गुरु के पास जाते हैं थोड़ा कुछ मैजिक दिखाने के लिए. अरे वो बाबा जी ने थोड़ा ना ये मैजिक दिखाया, वो मैजिक दिखाया, इसलिए वो सही है. अच्छा, मैजिक दिखना है तो किसी मैजिशियन के पास जाना चाहिए. मैजिशियन भी मैजिक दिखा सकता है. बट जो रियल गुरु है उसका क्या मैजिक रहेगा? He will be able to help us to transform our life. He will be able to help us to transform our character. That is the real glory of a Guru. Okay. Anything else?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Any other questions? Okay, I think there are no questions. Fine. I hope कि आपको समझ में आया होगा जो मैंने हमने कंटेंट डिस्कस करने का कोशिश किया. So maybe I will share some notes with all of you also. Na? Thank you. Fine. So we'll meet next weekend then. Gaurav?
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
I will take. Thank you. Very happy to see your very nice organization of the events, especially this quiz and all. Very good, unique idea. And I'm able to see consistently that many boys are showing good interest. Nitesh and Kartikeya and Utkarsh and Ayush, Divyanshu also.
Yes, sir.
So very happy to see you have a good team of you have a good team of your first years this year. Who have good interest and who are quite positive. And all of your seniors are also working very hard to make things very interesting for them. That also is very good to see.
Yeah,
thank you. Good night, friends.
Boys, sir. They've been very consistent in.
You're saying something?
Yeah, I'm saying actually this first year they are really very wonderful boys that we have got this year. Very consistent and very enthusiastic to ask questions. So I'm really very happy to be there, cooperating with them and to guide them in whatever manner I can. Thank you so much.
Thank you all of you, especially Divyanshu and Sachin, Ayush, Abhishek, Shashank, Kartikeya, Ritik, Nitesh, Ujjwal, Shivansh, Utkarsh, Pavan. Thank you. I could see all of you are almost participating very enthusiastically in our sessions. Pavan, Shivansh. I also got to hear some from your seniors about some of you, how all of you are chanting regularly. And you're also participating very nicely. Actually, these articles which your seniors are sending, I have also seen them. They're very good articles. They will help you to develop a very solid faith upon spirituality and about these aspects of life. So do take advantage of all those activities. Okay. Thank you. Good night to all of you. We'll meet next weekend for our last program before your exams. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
All
sir.
of you, please take good care of yourselves, study nicely, and we'll meet on the next Sunday for our concluding program. Till then, keep chanting, keep studying.